That looks like a buoy, I believe.
Zulu Tiger Romeo, go ahead.
Give us position report to 29.
Okay, now, you want to give a
RCM 29.
Okay, you call boat 29, position report with a lat long on your radio, on 82A.
Okay. Exercise, Rcmsar, boat 29. This is Casara, ZTR. Are you ready for location?
This is Rcmsar 29. Over.
RCM 29. Coordinates 4823.08, 12329.29.
Okay, copy that. 48 degrees. 231.
That's okay, I think he's got it. He said he caught it.
Say again, over.
48 degrees, 23.08, 123 degrees, 29.29. Set down here.
Okay, 48 degrees, 23.08 north. 123 degrees, 29.29 west. Over.
That's correct.
Tell them
Okay, copy that. We'll proceed to that location. Commence search.
Tell them we're circling it right now.
We're circling the target right now. Oh, I should have.
Okay, copy. You're circling that location now. Thanks.
I may have a second target. It's yellow.